Oh my word. This is incredible. I cannot wait to show you. Oh my goodness gracious.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Amanda and this is Caleb. And we are a husband and wife team from Ohio who just bought their very first flip home. Come and join us as we document the process of demoing, designing, and building a beautiful home together. We are so glad that you are here.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We just wanted to sit down and kind of go over what's been happening at the flip house, because I feel like in the last week and a half, the biggest changes of the entire process have taken place.
And then I recorded them on my phone.
So we just kind of have like some random clips. So
yeah. Anyway,
some of the biggest changes Caleb put in that front window, and then from the outside, because the window was smaller, he had to put like siding around it and stuff. So he got, are you tickling me? Yeah. He got the exterior siding done, and also all the plumbing was complete. So here's kind of a little clip of that.
All right, big day. That's not really the big part of it, but I got this window done mostly. Besides, I got to do all the soffit and stuff. As you can see there, it's kind of gross, but got that in as good as I could while the plumbers were working on their stuff. And let me show you. Okay, they got their stuff in, the water box for the refrigerator. They got the tub in there, all that stuff. All this is hooked in. They put our main shutoff here, so it's not under the house like it would have been over here, because it was in that little weird part of the wall. I'm a little out of breath just from running like 20 feet, like sweating from it. But instead of putting it under there, they put it over there. They'll come back when everything is done, and they said they'd connect our tub drain and our kitchen sink stuff here. But plumbing is done. I can start putting the floor back. I can start doing drywall. Now we can start moving a little bit. And then we did the window in the kitchen was not great, and the screen was all busted up. And then we figured right when you come in, it's like the door will be like, it won't be new, but it'll be like refreshed and like new. And then the window in the front was new, and it'd be nice if you come in and everything you see is like new. So we just went ahead and switched that out. Well, we decided to switch out the window in the kitchen just because everything would look new, like in the front here. And we get the window out, and all these bricks fell off. So I gotta mortar those back. That's just stuff that happens when you do this stuff.
Also, I feel like we did not highlight this enough, and Caleb didn't really take a lot of videos of this, but they completed all of the drywall this week, and it has changed the entire interior of the house. Like, does not even look like the same place. So
it makes it feel a lot cleaner too.
Yeah.
When you get new drywall and stuff.
So that's huge.
I would rather roof a house than do this drywall in here, because I hate this stuff so much. We pressure wash the brick because to paint you have to pressure wash it, because you can't have dirt and all that junk on there. So we pressure washed. Pressure washing, which means we're close to paint, which is gonna make this house look incredible. It's all gonna be white. It's gonna be very pretty.
Last week, Caleb's parents came over and helped remove the that glass like exterior room thing that was so ugly and basically falling off the house anyway. So they came over and helped get all of that off the house.
Something I didn't expect to get done today. They just started ripping it off. And it already looks a million times better. You're on camera.
And last but not least, the biggest change of them all.
We painted the outside.
Yes.
And it looks like a brand new house.
Yeah.
Like, it looks nice, clean.
Yeah. But the exterior paint, he had painted like the front and stuff without me, and so being able to drive up to the house and see that for the first time was amazing, because it was probably, it just changed the house completely, and I absolutely love it. So
yeah, I wanted to make sure the front was done so you could see it like when you first pull up, because I knew you were coming.
Yep. So here's a clip of that. I just turned on the road, so I'm about to pull up to the house. I can't wait to see it. Oh my word. It is so much better. Oh my gosh, it's so much brighter. This is incredible. I cannot wait to show you. Oh my goodness gracious. Unbelievable. Wait till you see this house. This is incredible.
We're gonna love it. We're gonna list it.
I don't know, because now I'm starting to love it.
Looks really
This
nice.
is amazing. Look at how different and bright and happy this is. Oh my gosh. And look how good. This is what I was talking about. The front door looks so pretty, so we're gonna try to save this because I really like the wood with the white.
Here, look at these up against here. They're disgusting on the back. I almost...
We need to power wash it probably.
Like these on there.
Oh yeah. Oh my word. It looks so good. So much better.
The white dirt and stuff, obviously. We'll just throw some stuff in.
Yeah, we'll get mulch. This is amazing. I am so excited. So much better than the weird yellowy brick. This is exciting. It's amazing. Great job.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm in the house, and I wish that you guys could just know the feeling of the difference of like the first time that we walked in here where it was so dark, so dirty, and just grimy feeling to this. It already feels a million times better, and it's beautiful in here. And I know that it's not even done, but it already just feels and looks so much better. Okay, so we just got back from Menards, and now I think step one, I'm going to attempt to salvage this front door. So Caleb is going to take it off and show me what to do because I don't really know what I'm doing. So that's the plan. He's gonna go start painting more of the exterior, and yeah, basically I have an hour until I have to go pick up the girls. So we'll see what I can get done.
Me and you both don't know how to like end what we're saying. We just start and then we go and then we go. So yeah. That's what's up. I'll do the same.
Step one of trying to salvage this front door, we have to clean it because it is filthy. And then Caleb's gonna try to shoot a nail down in it where it's kind of like splitting. And then we're gonna put wood glue. We'll let that dry. We'll sand it down and then restain it, hopefully. So I really hope this works because I don't want to have to buy a new front door. And this door is actually pretty. So we'll see how this goes.
We hold it and I can shoot a nail like that.
Okay.
Boom.
That's what I'm supposed to do?
Basically. You're just basically getting it down to this color. Or close to it.
I wish we didn't even have to. We have to though because of the glue, right?
And now this.
Because really, it's kind of pretty.
It's pretty gritty.
Worried about it. About sanding it. Never
You are worried about it?
done it.
Well, you just saw me do it. Look. You just it wants to take off. You just have to hold there and there. You don't have to
Just.
I think you have to press the button and then the trigger. It's like a safety. Run it first, then set it on there. It'll want to kick that way. You'll feel it. It's have fun with it.
Okay.
I'm gonna be
Yonder.
out yonder.
Okay. Love you.
think I just like blew the motor or something in this. It's smoking. So I'm gonna go ask Caleb about this. I was sanding and
Paper
like
fly off?
it was like smoking. Like I don't know what I did.
What, the sander?
Yeah, the sander was like smoking. So what do I do? Like it smells like hot. I think the paper fell off,
Smells like hot.
but it was like really smoking.
A lot of friction.
So do I switch to the other one?
Yeah, you can. Give that one a break.
Okay. Yeah, I think the paper fell off the big one, and it.
Yeah, that one's ready to go.
Okay. Well, we'll just switch. We'll just switch sanders then.
So you can do this, yeah. And then just go down the next set of bricks. Just focus on where your paint's hitting and boom. No, that would be awful. You just want me to do it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll go back to sanding. You're doing such a great job. I'll just go back to sanding.
You look cute painting.
Thanks.
You're cute though painting.
Okay, well.
Now you caught everything on fire.
Yeah. Okay. He said just switch sanders. I don't know what I did to the other one, but I think it'll be okay. We'll just switch and try to get this one side of the door done, and then I have to go pick up the girls from my sister's house. So, okay, got the other sander ready. So I'm gonna do some of the smaller areas. Thankfully I got most of the big areas with the other one before, you know, I broke it. So we'll give this a try. Okay, so I have to get ready to go, but I got basically one side of the door sanded completely. Well, besides where we had to add the glue that has to dry, and then we'll sand that later. But the other side is kind of the worst side because the dog clearly had like scratched it. But I'm really glad we're trying to save this door because it's gonna be really pretty. So I have to leave. Caleb is here. He is painting exterior brick right now at the back of the house. So I will give him the camera and he can document that. But yeah, well, thank you guys so much for watching.
That was just a recap of random things.
Yeah. But yeah, that's kind of where we are in the process. So coming up, really, we just have to paint flooring.
Kitchen cabinets. And then...
Like the bathroom needs to be put back together. But I feel like...
It's all like the more fun stuff of like putting stuff back and...
You're making it homey
getting through
again.
the mess.
Yep. So anyway, it's going good. You're doing a great job.
Did get a lot of poison ivy.
Yeah, that's
Like a lot.
been bad. But
And my mom even got it.
yep. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you want to, please do. That would be so nice. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Bye.